February 17th at A-0577. Brief update video after the week where we've got our refinished wood doors installed along with their respective hardware and keys. Just going to take you on a brief tour through the central office to give you an idea of what's been going on throughout the week. Same thing over here in our main office section. All of the doors have been installed. Over here in our bathrooms, we've had some work done as well. So, taking a brief look in here, we've got our partitions set up. Had some of the areas on the walls touched up, like where those anchors were last week. And walking over to the men's. We've got our partitions being prepared to be set up. Got the mouse form already in the walls, and our sink was able to be put back in, reblocked and such. Out in the warehouse, we had the dumps removed and cleaned up very nice. Our water fountain back here had the electric work done and set up, so it's functional now. And that is all for the week. Thank you very much for your time.